Good morning, everyone. Good morning, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to another planting video. If you're new here, welcome. Welcome to me. So, excuse the lighting if it's bad today. It's not usually this bad. It's currently still dark outside. It's very early in the morning. Decided to wake up at like 5:15 and not be able to get back to sleep, which is fabulous. So here I am, up and ready, break of dawn. Anyway, I have got a little chory kind of video getting ready for autumn, winter time. I mean, it's already autumn, but I've been putting it off, I'm not gonna lie. So now is the time. So in my kitchen, back here, I've got this like shelfy thing, which is actually like a radiator cover, which was fine to have plants on over winter because it wasn't on. I'd never put the radiator on. Obviously now we're going to be starting to put the radiator on. It's like mid to the end of October now, so it's getting cold. So they need moving, but I don't really have anywhere to put them and it's going to look really bare if I didn't put anything there. So I'm just going to put some like cacti and stuff there, which obviously don't come at me. I know it is not ideal because it is warm, but they will do a lot better there than all of my kind of tropical plants that need sort of more humid air. They won't be getting so much cold air, warm air. So that is what I'm doing today. I need to sort out some like shelves and stuff. I'm gonna have a rejig in the living room and everything. So yeah, I will bring you along. I'm going to start in here. Gonna start like cleaning down that little radiator cover and start moving everything over. So let's go. Okay, so this is that shelf. Obviously you can see I've got like my anthurium and stuff on there, not ideal. And then I'll show you over there. And then on this window ledge is just like all cacti and like euphorbia and succulents and stuff. So I'm going to kind of swap them over and move some into the living room. My tea just went everywhere. Okay, so I finished the cactus corner. It looks quite cute. I'll show you now. So, sorry about the lighting again. So I've kind of just put like little clusters of them together. So I've got this euphorbia, prickly pear, and then this cute little succulent. I kind of swapped some pots around so it's all kind of like the same vibe. I've got this large euphorbia which I really wanted some height here, which is why I went and got this one, because I liked this one here and here, but I really wanted this one on this side, and then this bit looked really bare, so that's why I put this little euphorbia in there. Got a little cactus here. And these two. This guy also is tied up because I was away for a week for work in Manchester, and I came back and I obviously hadn't watered it in quite a while, and it was literally like flopped over, and I watered it and it kind of didn't push itself back up, which they tend to do that sometimes. So I've tied it up together hoping it will like get its strength back and stay in like its uprightness, because it was literally like flopping over like that, so that's why that's there. So I think it looks quite cute. And then I've got this shelf here now, which I might put a few like leafy boys on. Okay, so this is a setup here. These two are really not happy. I think it's because they weren't having enough light. So well, it's not that they're not happy, they shouldn't really grow. So I'm hoping putting them by this window will be better for them. Got this guy. And these ones. This one is in like a rehab. It lost all its leaves and now it's starting to bounce back. So we'll see. now. I've got my monstera that I chopped back, syngonium, very great string of hearts going down. I really want this shelf to be like all of my violin plants, just covering it. lemon lime, philodendron, philodendron Brazil, Scindapsus, exotica. We have got a marble pothos down here that I took from cuttings, and then my monstera in leca. Then we've got this little Syngonium. Okay everyone, that is everything for today, I think. I feel so much better now I've like had a move around. I don't know if anybody else gets like this, you just get really like bored of your collection, and I got to the point where I was like just leaving them and wasn't really caring for them that much. But yeah, it's like a breath of fresh air. It's nice to move your plants around every now and then. Freshens up the space as well. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little autumn winter move around prep video, and don't forget to follow my planty Instagram for more like updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe and all that jazz. This is a really weird outro. Probably edit this and be like, what was I just doing? But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.